team, hello crew, how are we doing today? This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. That's right, the professional you called him. He is here, and we are here. We're out here on a move in, move out cleaning. Look at that. Get your deposit back. This is a beautiful home. Look at the machine. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Yeah, it's dirty because we're getting it clean and we use you. Get it clean. Get clean with Be Clean. Never judge a book by its cover. That's what we like to go by. But as you can see, we got some stains in here. All right. We got one room. All right, we got closet. All right, we're gonna get all this here. Closet, room. All right. Now my chemicals I'm using here today, safe on viscose rugs, carpets, natural fiber, everything. Mix it up myself, and we'll get all these stains up. And you'll see. Then we're gonna do a thorough vacuum afterwards. We'll get it all together. This house doesn't have any water. We refill those, so we're not wasting that. So keep those on deck on the van. And you're like, well, why don't you get a fancy water tank? Well, why would I? All right, why would I? Okay, so we're going to go ahead. She's going to start getting spraying. She's going to start spraying, get this stuff done here. You're like, you guys are like, oh my God, he's not using any steam. Well, we're using the encapsulation system, all right? This thing's been around for a while, making a comeback. Why? Because just like you had Nokia phones back in the day, you had your, my generation had Nokia. We played Snake, all right? We played, the Razor phones. We had all that good stuff. We had all that. Just like technology, now we got the iPhones, all right? No buttons, all right? Okay, let's look at this, all right? So just like, technology gets better with your phones, technology gets better with cleaning. All right, now watch me. Moving the weight here, shifting the weight. Yeah, see that little there? Get that little lift action. Look at that. He lifts up, he lifts down. I lift up, I pick things up and put them down. All right, now look at that. No stain, all right? Now, the final process we're going to do is go ahead and do a vacuum. I'm like, oh my God, Brandon, why are you talking so fast? Well, we are in a little bit of a rush. Now, it doesn't matter how fast we go with this machine. We go slow, we go fast. It's still going to do its job. And you're like, well, where's the dirt going? All right, I see the dirt disappearing, but I don't know where it goes. It's not getting sucked up in the hose. Okay, forget the hoses. All right, throw them out. Forget the water. Throw that out. Forget the hot water. Throw that out. Okay. We do use hot water in some instances, but in this case, you don't have to. The reason why, because the chemical solution, I shouldn't even say chemicals, because they're all kid and pet safe, okay? The stuff I use, all right, we got a little bit of oxygen, we got a little peroxide, we got a couple other little enzymes and some polymers inside of here. Well, the enzymes are for the P. But we got some polymers inside of here, okay? We're mixing up our pH levels, all right? We're messing with the pH. We're getting this high. We're bringing it low. We're bringing it everywhere we need to go. That way, it goes ahead and gets it in and gets it out, all right? So come along with me as we get you clean. Better be clean. The professionals. All right. Now, if you like what you see here, you see all that stains came up. The first room, I'm going to show you that here in a minute. Steam, all right, one of the steams, been invented in, I think it was 1969. Great year. I love that 69 Camaro. Love that year. But hey, that was before me. Or maybe after, who knows. But this whole thing here, she sprayed this ahead, my helper. Well, you see these stains. All right, so I'm getting back to 69, all right? That's when one of the guy was a jet engine mechanic, all right? And he created one of those big old truck mounts, okay? The ones you see, and they're like, oh my God, I need the hoses. And blah, 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 cleaner, gets carpets cleaner. I don't like to say anybody's name, but okay. I clean up behind those guys a lot of times. People are like, oh my gosh, my carpets are still wet. It's been 5 hours till they dry. Guess what? My windows are closed right now, all right? Windows are closed at this location, okay? And the carpets are going to dry in 2 hours, okay? I guarantee 2 hours. 1 hour minimum, guaranteed 2 hours. They're going to be dry. What's that mean? You can come home and enjoy your carpets. Your kids can come home and go ahead and play on them. Make sure they take their shoes off. I got some booties I can give you too. Your neighbors, your pets. You yourself can lay on the carpet, do your yoga, do your gym, do whatever you need. So we're getting it done. And we're going here. Stacey. All right, check this out. That's where the stain was at, remember? That's going. Whole room's here. Done. All right, all my stuff comes up good. Ha. All right. And check this out here. Look at that. All right, beautiful. Now this is on vacuum here, and then we're gonna put the nice little traction here. Gets up any more residual dirt left over, and we're going
to like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.